So welcome back my friend in my new video, and this video is very informative video. If you want to transfer your any WhatsApp data to your old device to new device, and you can see here I have just purchased a newly iPhone 6s and I want to transfer all my WhatsApp data from this Android device to this iPhone. Okay, and if you are also facing this type of issue and you want to transfer your data without any hassle, so you have to watch this video properly till the end. Only then you will be able to transfer your all data seamlessly in just only few clicks. So let's start this video. And you know that easily transfer all your WhatsApp data from your old phone to new phone with Dr.Fone. Whether you are looking to seamlessly merge WhatsApp chats across two devices without any data loss, or aiming to transfer your WhatsApp chat to a new phone effortlessly, Dr.Fone is your ultimate solution. Enjoy your new phone without leaving anything behind. So let's start the video. So my friend, first of all, you have to download the software of Dr.Fone. Okay, so I'm going to PC to download this software. So you can see here my friend, this is the interface of the website of Dr.Fone Wondershare, and you can download this application from here. So I'm going to open try for free. So I'm going to click here to download this software, and I have already installed this software on my PC, and you can see here there are lots of options here to do. So first of all, there are lots of options. So right now I'm going to use WhatsApp transfer option. So I'm going to open this, and after that you can see here there are two options. First is source and the second one is destination, and here you have to select your preferred smartphones. So my destination smartphone is my newly purchased iPhone. So and my source system is my old Android device. So I'm going to select the correct one. Please remember that you have to connect your smartphones with the data cable. Okay, when you connect the data cable, your all smartphone will appear on the software. So I'm going to select my source smartphone. This is Realme Narzo 30 Pro 5G, and my destination smartphone is Apple 6s. Okay, when you successfully connected your smartphone with the software, you have to click to transfer here and wait for a few seconds. After that, you have to select your preferred setting. You have to click the next and wait for the few seconds. You have to go to the WhatsApp on your old device and go to the setting page. After that, you have to select the chat option here and go to the chat backups, and here you have to go to the end-to-end encrypted backup. So you have to click to turn on and select your use 64-digit encryption key instead, and after that you have to click next on the software, and here you have to click the generate your 64-digit key on your older smartphone, and you have to stay on this page, and after that you have to click a scan here and wait for a few seconds. After that you have to click continue here, click I saved my 64-digit key here, click create, and backing up your messages on your old devices. After that you have to click next on the software and wait for a few seconds. After that you have to click login successfully, continue on software. And you can see here my friend, this iPhone is restarting. So wait for restart completed. open your iPhone first and go to the WhatsApp. After that, you can see here, you have to click agree to continue. Type your mobile number. Click next. Click yes. And type your verification code. Wait for a few seconds and done, my friend. Your WhatsApp is automatically closed on your iPhone. After that, you have to again reopen the WhatsApp. Type your name here. Click done. And you can see here, my friend, all your chats, backups, messages successfully transferred from your old Android device to new iPhone devices. As you see here, all my chats are successfully restored in my newly purchased iPhone. You can see here, my friend, all my data is successfully transferred from my old Android to new iPhone devices. So this software is very useful if you seriously want to transfer your any type of WhatsApp data to your old device to new device. Okay, and you can also download this software from our description and pinned comment. And if you want to purchase this application, so I'm going to click the pricing, and you can see here, my friend, this toolkit is a Dr.Fone full toolkit at just only 3,999, and at this price you got all-in-one solution for Android and iOS users, access to all features of Dr.Fone full toolkit, buy one and get Dr.Fone Air for free. So this is the best value pack. So I am suggesting to you, download this application from our description and pinned comment. So thanks for watching this video, my friend. Stay tuned and keep watching.